Yo, what's going on, guys? Oliver here. Today we're back with some Minecraft. And oh god, it was just running so smoothly, Minecraft was. Well, anyways, 14.3, I'm just starting to play it. And it's pretty good. I am doing pretty good. I have lots of food, 26 iron. How do I make the lag stop? There has to be a way, right? Please. At 10. I want this guy like 1. I'll take that off. Particles off. Clouds on. Um, yeah, I'll have that. Everything. Why is it loading? But sorry about this, guys. So we did a video. Well, I tried to do a video on Pet Walking Simulator, but all the progress is gone. So you guys will not be able to see my progress. And this is probably going to be a short video because I'm trying to find a better screen recorder so you guys can see the video without it lagging so much. So yeah, this will be a short video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.